Hello friends, today we see within a 10 minutes quick review of acid and bases theory. Okay, like, share and subscribe my channel Harsh Chemistry Classes. Today we see within a 10 minutes quick review of acid and bases. First theory is Arrhenius theory in 1884. First definition: an acid is a substance that dissociates in water to produce hydrogen ion, which means that the hydrogen ions means water contains H2O, H plus and OH minus, which gives H plus ion is known as a acid, and which then a base is a substance that dissociates in water to produce hydroxide ion. OH minus gives which is known as base and H plus acid. For example, HCl, H plus HCl, which gives H plus Cl minus, which donate H plus ions is known as acid due from the Arrhenius theory, and which gives OH minus. Okay, NaOH, Na plus OH minus ions, and that theory's limitations are which is only water based means aqueous medium. Okay, and doesn't account for acid and base reaction that occur in a solvent. The reaction which is acid base, which medium is always water base, which is a aqueous medium, which water based medium is known as aqueous medium. Okay, and that theory which does not explain the any acid base reaction, which is react with each other's acid and bases with any other solvent. Next theory is Bronsted-Lowry theory in 1923. The definition of that theory: acid which gives a proton donor. Okay, acid is a proton donor, H plus donor, and base is a proton acceptor. Okay, there is one key concept: an acid base reaction involves transfer of proton from acid to base. Which shows the key concept means which involves the transfer of proton from acid to base. Okay, which definition: acid H plus donor, base H plus acceptor. Okay, for example, NH3. NH3 act as a base by accepting proton from HCl. HCl H plus Cl minus, and ammonia act as a base. Why? Which accept the proton from HCl, which accept the proton, okay, is known as a base, and which donate the H plus is known as acid. Then HCl is a acid. Okay, advantage: this theory is more general than Arrhenius theory, and as it applies to reaction in any solvent and even in a gas phase also. Okay, H plus donor acid, H plus acceptor base HCl and NH3. Lowry Bronsted theory: acid H plus donor, base proton acceptor, proton which shows the H plus ions. Okay, first which donate the H plus acid and accept that H plus is a base. Ammonia NH3 is act as a base which accept the H plus from HCl, and HCl is a acid. Definition of Lewis theory. Third theory 1923. An acid is electron pair acceptor and base is an electron pair donor. Electron pair matlab means two electrons are there. Key concept: this theory focuses on transfer of an electron pair from new covalent bond to rather than the transfer of proton. Transfer of proton not possible. There is a electron pair transfer to formation of new covalent bond. For example, ammonia NH3 donates lone pair to the electrons to BF3, which accept the electron pair. This Lewis theory is the most general and it does not require presence of hydrogen ions. Okay, and can describe acid base reaction between molecules without hydrogen or hydroxide. There is in this Lewis theory there is no need of H plus ions, OH minus ions, donor, acceptor. There is only electron pair accepted or donated by any molecule or any compound. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Harsh Chemistry Classes.